Russian President Vladimir Putin signs law banning transgender. Russian President Vladimir Putin signed a law banning transgenderism, which bans medical interventions with the aim of changing a person's sex and changing gender. Details in documents. On July 24, Russian President Vladimir Putin signed a law banning transgender people in Russia. After this law was passed by both houses of the Russian parliament. According to Radio Russia Today, Russian Deputy Health Minister Yevgenia Kotova said that more than 2,000 people have legally changed their sexes in Russia between 2018 and 2022, the period when transgenderism was legal. However, the new law will now ban any medical intervention to change a person's gender, as well as ban changing someone's gender in official documents. The only exception is medical intervention to treat birth defects. The new law also does not recognize marriages in which there is at least one transgender person, and prohibits transgender people from adopting children. The law stems from the Kremlin's campaign to protect Russia's traditional values. Russian lawmakers point out the law is intended to protect Russia from Western anti-family ideology. In 2013, Russia passed a law banning any public support for non-traditional sexual relations among minors. By 2020, President Putin has pushed for constitutional reforms that would ban same-sex marriage. Last year, the Russian leader also signed a law banning propaganda of non-traditional sexual relations among adults. Russia criticizes the West. The Guardian newspaper, UK, said that this new law deals another blow to the LGBT community. Lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender. In Russia, however, Speaker of the State Duma, Russian lower house, Vyacheslav Volodin criticized what he called the Western transsexual industry and defended the reasoning behind the new law. He said the number of sex reassignment surgeries in the U.S. has increased 50-fold in the past 10 years, adding that about 1.4% of Americans between the ages of 13 and 17 identify as transgender by 2022. This is the path to the decline of a nation, he said.